Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect firestick to PC. Let's go. First way, screen mirror on firestick. Open settings, network, check your network. Your PC and your firestick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open display and sounds. Enable display mirroring. Turn on. Press win+p, connect to a wireless display. Choose your firestick. Second way, connecting a firestick to a PC. Install OBS. Connect the firestick to your computer via a capture card. Open OBS. Add source. Video capture device. Device, choose your capture card. Options, full screen projector. Choose your capture card. That's it. Now you know how to connect firestick to PC. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.